Hello friends, welcome to Java threading tutorial. In this video, we will learn about daemon thread and we will see how to set a specific thread as a daemon thread by using a simple method called setDaemon. Daemon threads are background threads which usually runs in low priority. So it's a low priority thread. These threads are simply called services for the main program which does maintenance task. So daemon thread will do the maintenance task and it will run in low priority. So here we are talking about maintenance task, or it provides a service to the main program, but it's up to the developer how they want to use the daemon threads. An example for a daemon thread is, for example, a thread periodically checking and clearing unwanted linked list elements. These linked list elements are, let's assume it's created by the main program. And the service, background service or daemon thread will periodically check the suitability of the element and removes the element. So we can see this specific threaded task as a daemon thread task. Daemon thread lives when program lives. Their lifetime is meaningless when program dies. So here the method is setDaemon, and the setDaemon method sets the thread as a daemon thread. So just like runnable task or a threaded task, you can create a thread and then make a call to setDaemon. So the thread becomes a daemon thread. When main thread quits, it kills all its daemon threads. Alright, now let's go to the demo. Alright, we will create a ticker class. So the ticker class implements runnable. So we are taking code from our previous example. The ticker does the ticker thread will do the same stuff. It will print the numbers in the console window. Alright, in the run method, so previously we worked on a callable, right? Now we will use the same main entry. In each example, we are using the same main entry program. So we will remove the code here and add the new code. Now we will set our thread as a daemon thread. Here in the main, if you see, we are creating EX07 ticker. This thread, first thread runs for 15 times, and this will run for 20 times, and the third one will run for 5 times, and each thread will have a delay of half second for printing a number. So this is the thread which will finish towards the, or this is the thread which will finish last, and this one will finish first its duty. So that's for thread T1, this is for T2 and T3. At present, we are commenting the set daemon, and main thread sleeps for 5 seconds, and let us see how it works. And if you see, since this is 20, that means 20 number it needs to print, and we have a delay of a half second. That means thread T2 will run for 10 seconds. But here, if you see, main thread is quitting. Let's see how it works without daemon. Now the threads are not daemon thread, they are normal thread. And let's see how it works. Quitting main thread. Okay, that message is enough. Now let's run it. So forget about daemon. We haven't made it as daemon at this moment. And now if you examine the output, there are 3 threads, right? Ticker thread 1, 2 and 3, and they are printing the numbers. And if you see, since daemon 3 or thread T3 or daemon 3 we are calling it, so since that prints only 5 numbers, you can see the daemon 3 is finished, and then 2 and 1 is continuing. 1 and 2 came near 10, and you can see main thread quits, and thread 2 is still continuing, and daemon 1 is finishing here. After that, daemon 2 is finishing. So what you have to notice here is main thread quit long before, right? After quitting the main thread, still daemon 2 and 1 are, thread 1 and 2 is doing its task. So you can make a simple change here. Instead of daemon, if you put thread, because we doesn't made it as a daemon, these threads continue running even after main thread quits. Let me run this again, and you can see that. So here if you see, main thread quit already, but child threads are still running. The moment we make now we will set the normal thread as daemon thread by simply making call to set daemon, and you can see once main thread quits, daemon thread won't continue, they will also quit. So here if you see, quitting main thread, after that none of the threads are running. When main quits, the daemon threads also quit, and here you can see only daemon 3 ended because daemon 3 printed 5, and 2 and 3, 1 and 2, it doesn't finish the job. Since main quit, this thread also quits. So you can see that this daemon threads is suitable for providing background services to main, and in a situation where the thread or living of thread is not useful when main quits, in that case we can make the thread as a daemon thread. Simply the thread which provide some services to the main when main thread is living and running, that time we can make the thread as a daemon thread. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.